Why does Netflix keep crashing? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to discuss a couple of reasons as to why your Netflix keeps crashing, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now let's say you've been trying to download and use the Netflix application, but then the Netflix application keeps on crashing. Why is this happening? The very first reason I want you to think about this is that it is not actually properly configured. So for this to be enabled, long press the Netflix app icon. Tap the I button to come to the app info page and go to storage, and then you can clear the cache and also make sure to clear the data. After you've done that, Netflix application requires proper space in the background to run properly. So open up settings, go to your battery and device care section, and then just make sure and ensure that you have enough storage, at least up to 5 to 10 gigabytes of free storage left on your device for Netflix to run smoothly. The other reason why this happens is that when you're not using the official version of Netflix, so if you downloaded some kind of sketchy APKs from some other sites over here, which could be third-party sites and not the official one from your Play Store or your App Store provided by Netflix themselves, in that case also the Netflix application could keep on crashing. Now, even if you've downloaded the official app, the reason it could be crashing is because Netflix app requires an update, as you can see in my case. So also make sure that Netflix app is updated to the latest version. Now sometimes this could also be a device specific issue, so for that you can open up settings and just go to software update on your phone and just make sure that you have updated your software to the latest version. The other reason Netflix keeps crashing is because if you have rooted your device. So if you're the type of person who have rooted your Android phone, then in that case also Netflix will keep crashing. In that case, you can just try to unroot it, restart it, and see if that helps you solve your problem. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the issue. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.